Hello and good evening. I'm Shruti Kamath Dalal and you're watching Goa 365. First our headlines. Congress to finalize name of minister to be ex today. Cards are decked heavily against Prime Minister Alexio Sequeira. Troubled times ahead for local English dailies in Goa. St. Xavier College for promotion of nature tourism. We also have Goa this week. Now for the news in detail. Since the time Digambar Kamath took over the reins of the state as Chief Minister, it has not been a smooth sailing for him. In just 7 months, his government has survived 2 coups, but the developments after the second toppling bid has put him in the dock again. In the aftermath of the second toppling bid by 3 NCP, 2 MGP, 1 former SGF, now Congress MLA, 1 independent MLA and 1 unattached MLA, Congress and NCP High Command thought it wise to have a coordination committee with representatives of party high commands for better functioning of the government. The decision of this committee to drop 1 Congress minister to place for MGP MLA Sudin Davlikar has caused a lot of heartburn in the Congress camp. The Chief Minister, instead of governing the state, is on a firefighting mission to douse the rising revolt from within. Chief Minister was directed by the Coordination Committee to use his prerogative of dropping a Congress minister, but nobody seems to be in a mood to give up power. The names that figured on the list was that of Joachim Alemaw, Alexio Sequeira, Philip Neri Rodrigues and Pandurang Madkekar. As the Chief Minister's talks with these ministers did not yield any results, Mr. Kamath thought of taking pre-signed resignation letters from all the ministers. This too did not find any favour with the ministers. Last few days, names of Joachim Alemaw and Alexio Sequeira were shortlisted, but Congress sources informed that Sequeira will finally face the X. Sources informed us that the High Command has given all the powers to the Chief Minister to drop any minister of his choice, but he could not complete the assigned task last week. AICC General Secretary in charge of Goa desk Hari Prasad arrived in Goa yesterday and is to meet each and every minister to convince them to make place for MGP MLA, as the Health Minister is constantly putting pressure on the Chief Minister through NCP Chief Sharad Pawar to accommodate Sudin immediately. However, congressmen are said to have taken a strong objection and are readying themselves for a confrontation with the emissaries of High Command, which may well turn into another revolt against the government. So far, 3 local English dailies in the state has been ruling the roost in the state, but with one of the national papers making its foray in Goa has rocked the foundation of these English print media. However, the entry of the national daily has not only turned the fortunes of journalists for better, but has also created a lot of job opportunities. Over the last week, many senior reporters have resigned from local dailies after getting confirmation of placement in Times of India. Their very first edition of Goa-centric daily news is supposed to hit the stands in the first week of April. The management of local English newspapers received a shock when resignations started pouring in from the front-line reporting staff. In fact, one of the editors was shocked to find 3 of his main reporters submitting their resignations to him. Finally, when he got his speech back, he refused to accept the resignations and sought time for dialogue. However, this is just the first round of shock. It is learned that desk staff like sub-editors are to follow suit, and after that, management of Times of India will target the marketing staff. The strategy used by the big brother to woo staff from local dailies is flexible working time and huge paycheck, which the local English just cannot match. If the management of the local English dailies do not immediately pull up their socks and put on their thinking caps, they are in for troubled times ahead. We'll take a short break, but on the other side, we have Goa This Week coming up. Stay with us.